All right, time for some finally Friday birthdays in the 4 states, and we begin in Girard with Cash Johnson celebrating number 2. Cash, also known as Jelly Roll. Happy birthday.
That's a great name. Uriah Blake is Carl Junction turning 5 today. Happy birthday, Uriah.
And we've got Anna Curry celebrating birthday number 6 with happy birthday love coming from Miss Donna and all the kids at Shoemaker Daycare.
Sage Whitworth in Chanute reminding you, hey, Mimi loves you. Turns 7 today.
And we've got Emerson Ratcliffe over in Fort Scott celebrating birthday number 9. Happy birthday, Emerson.
Webb City's Cody Mitchell is the Big 10.
Also turning 10 in Pittsburgh, Cash Carlinger. Happy birthday to you.
Marone Shupak in Farlington, Kansas today, turning 12. Happy birthday, Marone.
And we've got Olivia Wheatley over in Chanute celebrating number 13. Welcome to the teenage years. Happy birthday, Olivia.
This is real close here to the station in southeast Kansas. Quincy Coots turns 14 in Cherokee, Kansas. Happy birthday, Quincy.
All right, and we've got Alexis Buck celebrating number 19 in Carthage. Happy birthday, Alexis.
Kobe Burchett is 20 in Liberal. Happy birthday, Cody.
And Easton Dent celebrating number 21 in St. Paul with a nice throwback picture there. And it comes with love from Dad, Mom, and Ava.
That was a delicious birthday cake.
Looks like it.
Brett Cobb in Girard is 27. We all love you, Alexis, Hunter, Celia, Jamaica, Richard, Ricky, and Cameron. Happy birthday, Brett.
All right, and Bailey Cares celebrating birthday number 29 with happy birthday wishes coming from Margie. Happy birthday, Bailey.
Riverton, Kansas, James Zorns turns 33. Happy birthday, James.
And we've got Jessica Jarrett in Columbus celebrating birthday number 35. Jessica is a resident at Medical Lodges. Happy birthday, Jessica.
Special message for Jennifer O'Banion. Happy birthday to my daughter in love from your Mama Bear. We're in Pittsburgh, Kansas. Jennifer is, I don't think we need to say how old she is. Yeah, there you go.
We've also got Lizzie Roberts celebrating a birthday over in Columbus. Happy birthday, Lizzie.
Matt Bogle in Chanute is 47. Happy birthday, Matt.
We got Gary Fletcher in Joplin celebrating number 47. Happy birthday, Gary.
Rosina Scott, love from your family. Happy birthday.
And we've got Richard Jameson celebrating number 73 in Pittsburgh. Happy birthday, Richard.
Crestline, Kansas, Tub Moore turns the big 8-0. Happy birthday, Tub.
We got Darlene North over in Fredonia celebrating number 85. Happy birthday, Darlene.
In Columbus, Rennie and the Rennies are having an anniversary. It's Janice and Craig. Happy anniversary to you kids.
All right. And in Jasper, James and Heather Buchanan celebrating their 16th anniversary. Happy anniversary to you too.
And then Dwayne and Louise Holmes. Is this from Fredonia? Yeah, from Fredonia. Dwayne retired. He's a retired teacher and coach from Fredonia High School, and Louise retired. She's a lab technology tech at Fredonia Regional Hospital. 67 years of wedded bliss.
That's incredible.
Yeah,
and
wow.
Here's the thing. Our birthday and anniversary list is incredible because it continues with Joanne Biancarelli in Cherokee celebrating a birthday.
Wilma Stewart in Pittsburgh.
And Mary Dugan celebrating number 77.
Northeast Oklahoma and Miami, Rick Olds is 61.
We got Dalton Hurst in Erie celebrating number 26.
Cindy Dund in Columbus, happy birthday.
And Dawson King in Iola turning 21, saying wishing you an amazing birthday. Love your entire family and friends.
Eric King in Chanute, Dawson's dad, wishing you an amazing birthday. Love your entire family and friends.
And last but certainly not least on this mega list, Pat Burr in Lamar celebrating number 70. In fact, this birthday list was so long we ran out of birthday music. That's the way we like it, though. That's one incredible list. And if you want to celebrate with us, you can submit your birthdays one of two ways. One, at KOAMNewsNow.com/birthdays. You can do it electronically that way, or you can email them to us at birthdays with an S at KOAMnewsnow.com. And of course, make sure you include their name, their date of birth. If you want to include their age and hometown, that's appreciated as well. And we love the pictures, so make sure you keep sending those in. Also, while you're at our website, take time to sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club. You can get some great deals from local businesses, and you get a special birthday message from your friends here at KOAM. So just head over to our website, KOAMnewsnow.com. Sign up for that birthday club today. We want to give a special thanks to Shannon Becker for sticking around with us for a little bit to help with that